So time to revisit what I said. I said in the beginning that lambda expressions with method references are Java's way to support first-class functions. So okay, let's check if it's true. So the first-class function can be passed as a parameter, right? So yeah, we've seen this so many times. Okay, we can do that, and it can be returned as a result from another method. So yeah, well, we haven't done this, so let's just do it. I'll demonstrate that. So here in the main method, I'll just do the same thing as that this example. So it's function super product and return type of big decimal, and it's product to price mapper. This method returns the function which takes product, any super type of product, and then returns big decimal. So I can write lambda expression like that instead of creating an anonymous class object. I can do that. So yep, it's true. So I can do that. I can return that function, the object of function interface using lambda expression as a result of this method. So that means what I can do is use this main method and product to price mapper, and I can do this, and if I run it, right, then oops, I get error. Okay. This says it's type T, not any super type of product. So what I need to do is make it like this: any super type of T. So now no errors. Run it, then I get the list of prices of the products. Okay, so it works. Then we can check little something more. So here, as you can see, instead of passing this, passing the returned function, what I can do is I can do like this. So if you have before that, have a look at this part. It's just returning that price from the product. Then it looks like I can just use method reference. So instead of using lambda expression, I can do this. Yeah, it works. So run it, same result, right? So I can do that. So I just proved that that method reference, it's like it is first class citizen. So you can do that. So method can be returned now. Well, as I said, under the hood, it becomes object of function interface type. But as a programmer's perspective, we can, when we see this one, it's like we are returning that method, so I can do that, or I can even do this. Well, as you know, I can do this, right? So we've seen this one many times. So I can do this, price get no product, like that, or which means I can do this as well. So get price. Okay, all fine. So oops, let's just put the old ones as well. No, price to product. Come on, product to price mapper, and here, yeah, well, to this product. Okay, so all right, yep. So that was true. What about this? The first class function can be assigned to a variable. Yeah, we've seen this so many times. Well, I don't even need to repeat this. Okay, and then what else? Yep, it can be stored in the data structures. Well, I don't think we've done that before. So let's just try it. And I have a list of what is that function? String and integer. So I have a list of function which takes string as an input and then integer as a result, and then let's call it just a string to integer functions and create a new array list. And then here what I can do is add, well, that's, yeah, if you see this one value of method in the integer, then it takes string and returns integer, right? So it's exactly like this function, takes string then returns integer. So I can pass this method reference like that. Yeah, it works. Another one, so oops, here what I do is it takes some string and then get the hash code of that string. So it's getting string and returning integer, right? Well, it will be auto boxed. It's int, but it will be auto boxed. So it's fine. So it works. Yeah, good. I could store, you know, method reference and the, you know, Lambda expression in that list. But again, under the hood is, you know, our functional interface object. But you know, as a programmer, when you see it looks like, you know, we are storing the method reference and the Lambda expression in the list. Another one. Okay. You just copy and paste to save times. Okay. Well, as you can see, nothing special. All expected, all as expected. Okay. So, well, you've seen that, you know, what I said was correct. You know, that Lambda expressions with method references are Java's way to support first-class function. What's next? Improved type inference.